Creating profitable and everyday utilized wood projects that can be crafted at any time of the year presents numerous advantages for woodworkers and artisans alike. One of the most significant benefits is the ability to tap into a constant demand for functional items that serve practical purposes in homes and businesses. Unlike seasonal crafts that may only sell well during specific times of the year, everyday wood projects have the potential for year-round sales, providing a steady income stream. This consistency allows artisans to maintain a more stable business model, reducing the financial fluctuations often associated with seasonal crafting. Additionally, the versatility of wood as a material means that artisans can create a wide range of products, from furniture and storage solutions to decorative items and practical kitchenware. This variety not only keeps the creative process fresh and exciting, but also enables artisans to cater to diverse customer needs and preferences. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of profitable and everyday utilized wood projects ideas you can craft at any time in year. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Another advantage of focusing on everyday wood projects is the opportunity for repeat business. When customers purchase high-quality, functional items, they are more likely to return for additional pieces or recommend the artisan's work to friends and family. Building a loyal customer base is invaluable for any business, and creating useful products fosters a sense of trust and satisfaction among buyers. When consumers invest in items that enhance their daily lives, they often seek to acquire more, whether to complete a set or to find solutions for different areas of their homes. This ongoing relationship can lead to referrals and word-of-mouth marketing, which are powerful tools for growth in the woodworking business. Crafting everyday wood projects also allows artisans to hone their skills and techniques continually. By engaging in the creation of functional items, woodworkers can experiment with design, joinery, and finishing methods, ultimately improving their craftsmanship over time. This ongoing practice can lead to more intricate and refined work, which not only enhances the quality of the products, but also elevates the artisan's reputation in the market. As artisans become more skilled, they can tackle more complex projects, expand their product offerings, and even explore custom orders, further increasing their profit potential. Moreover, focusing on everyday wood projects can lead to innovative ideas that set artisans apart from competitors. By identifying gaps in the market or addressing specific customer needs, woodworkers can create unique solutions that resonate with buyers. For example, a craftsman might notice a demand for stylish yet functional storage solutions in small living spaces and respond by designing modular shelving units or compact furniture that fits various needs. This kind of innovation not only attracts customers, but can also position the artisan as a thought leader in the woodworking community, potentially leading to collaborations, partnerships, and greater visibility within the industry. Creating everyday utilized wood projects also offers the advantage of sustainability, as artisans can prioritize using locally sourced or reclaimed wood. In an era where consumers are increasingly conscious of their environmental impact, crafting with sustainable materials can appeal to eco-minded buyers. Promoting the use of responsibly sourced wood not only enhances the product's value, but also aligns the artisan with a growing trend towards sustainability. This commitment to the environment can differentiate a business in a crowded market, attracting customers who prioritize eco-friendly practices and products. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Additionally, the process of creating wooden items can be deeply rewarding on a personal level. Many woodworkers find joy in the act of crafting, deriving satisfaction from bringing their ideas to life and creating tangible items that others will use and appreciate. This passion for woodworking can be infectious, and when artisans pour their heart and soul into their creations, it often translates into high-quality products that resonate with buyers. The connection between the creator and the consumer can lead to a more meaningful exchange, where customers value not just the item itself, but also the artistry and effort behind it. Moreover, creating everyday wood projects can allow artisans to diversify their income streams. By producing a range of items, such as furniture, home decor, kitchenware, and garden solutions, woodworkers can appeal to various market segments and mitigate risks associated with relying solely on one type of product. This diversification can be particularly beneficial during economic downturns or shifts in consumer preferences, as it provides a buffer against fluctuating demand for specific items. By having multiple product lines, artisans can adapt to changing market conditions more readily, ensuring their business remains resilient over time. The flexibility of woodworking projects also means that artisans can work on their creations at their own pace and on their own schedule. This level of autonomy is especially appealing for those looking to balance their woodworking endeavors with other commitments, such as full-time jobs or family responsibilities. The ability to craft projects in a way that suits individual lifestyles allows artisans to maintain a healthy work-life balance while pursuing their passion. This flexibility can be empowering, enabling woodworkers to take ownership of their creative processes and develop their businesses according to their own visions and goals. Furthermore, engaging in woodworking can foster a sense of community among artisans. Joining local woodworking clubs or participating in online forums can provide valuable opportunities for networking, sharing ideas, and receiving feedback. Collaborating with other woodworkers can lead to exciting projects that combine different skills and perspectives, ultimately enriching the crafting experience. This sense of camaraderie can be motivating, encouraging artisans to push their creative boundaries and explore new techniques. A supportive community can also serve as a source of inspiration, helping woodworkers stay engaged and passionate about their craft. Finally, creating profitable and everyday utilized wood projects can lead to a sense of accomplishment and pride. When artisans see their creations being used and appreciated in homes and workplaces, it validates their efforts and reinforces their dedication to the craft. This sense of fulfillment can be a powerful motivator, encouraging woodworkers to continue refining their skills and expanding their product offerings. Ultimately, the combination of practical benefits, personal satisfaction, and the ability to positively impact the lives of others makes crafting everyday wood projects a rewarding endeavor. The advantages of creating profitable and everyday utilized wood projects are manifold, encompassing financial stability, skill development, market responsiveness, sustainability, and personal fulfillment. By focusing on functional items that serve practical needs, woodworkers can establish a steady income stream while continually honing their craft. The potential for repeat business and customer loyalty, coupled with the opportunity for innovation and diversification, positions artisans for long-term success. Additionally, the flexibility of woodworking allows for a balanced lifestyle, while the sense of community and pride associated with the craft enrich the overall experience. As artisans explore the possibilities within the realm of everyday wood projects, they embark on a journey that not only supports their creative passions, but also contributes positively to their communities and the environment. This combination of practicality and artistry makes woodworking a fulfilling and profitable pursuit that can be pursued year-round, offering endless opportunities for growth and success. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for profitable and everyday utilized wood projects ideas you can craft at any time in year. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.